How many of you know that Walsper listed in the Bible as nothing very well? That's all I'm gonna say about that. But you cannot, proclaim to. I'll say I'm itching, but you cannot proclaim to be a lover of God. And right now, in the year of 2025, in the month of September 9th, the 9th month, 25th day, Thursday, 7:12 p.m. You cannot say that you're a lover of God if you do not feel the grace and the mercies of God right now. What I say is they're new every morning, but the Lord's doing something, and it's all the Lord's. Whenever you hear the sound of going in the mulberry trees, in the top of the mulberry trees, be watching, be praying, be believing.